you're here! So glad you could make it. Welcome. My name is Renato Escudero, but you can call me Rue. Welcome to English 122, first year college composition and reading. In this class, we will investigate the themes of literacy and academic literacies. We will practice active reading, so we'll be annotating texts and we'll be keeping triple entry reading journals for most of our readings. We'll have weekly readings, discussions, and other interesting activities. We'll also write 4 major essays through multiple drafts with peer review, and we'll have a final portfolio project in which you'll compose a major revision of a previous essay and a reflections of learning essay for the semester. I'll tell you a little bit about the main essays. The first essay is going to be an informed opinion on what college writing is. Essay number 2 is going to be rhetorical analysis investigating multiple authors' rhetorical situations and the rhetorical devices and appeals that they use in their writing. Essay number 3 is an argumentative essay with research. The 4th essay will be your reflections of learning essay that goes into your final portfolio. Read this homepage. When you're done, click the Start button at the bottom below and start with Module 0, getting started right away. After each time that you log into our Canvas site, you'll want to check this homepage for recent announcements at the top of the page. Then, the best way to navigate this class is on the Modules page. Once you've checked the home page for assignments, always stay on the Modules page. You will go through each item in each module sequentially. All instructions, readings, activities, assignments, and due dates will be found in these modules. One module leads to the next one. The modules and module pages and items build upon each other, so please don't skip any items in the modules. Don't skip any modules, or you may find yourself lost when trying to write your essays. You'll actually save a lot of time and avoid confusion if you stay on the modules page. I'm not going to lie to you. This is not an easy class, and I'm going to put you to work hard. So please attend student hours, like office hours, where we can meet one-on-one to discuss your progress. I can also do tutorials during student hours, and I am happy to address any questions or issues or problems that you may be having, anything to do with this class. I am here for you, and I'm always happy to help. Whatever your circumstances may be, I am happy to work with you. Because teaching for me, it's not a job. It's a passion. I love doing it. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you. Here's to a great semester.